You will log into the Expression Engine at garyplayer.com/admin with the login that you've been given. Select Publish, New Story. The Publish page will load. You can paste the content of your story. Enter your title. If you select Show All, you can see there's the date information. This is when the entry date of when the entry will be published, when it expires, and when the comments expire. We generally don't set the expiration date or the comment expiration date. We generally just set the entry date. And for this particular entry, I want it to become active tomorrow. If you scroll down, you have the category section. You select the category that it applies to. You can select more than one category if you like. Scroll down a little bit further. You can see status is open. This is another way that you can control what feed is actually shown and represented on the website. If you have something that you need to pull down but you don't exactly want to delete it, you can close the entry. This is true for most of the functions on the website content editor. You have options: make the entry sticky, allow comments, and DST active on date of entry. Make entry sticky refers to making this particular posting push ahead and be the first and primary listing on the ticker at the front page and on all of the other pages. You want to allow comments, and DST active on date of entry has to do with daylight standards or daylight savings times and the posting hour of the article. So you can change those options based on what your requirements are. If you scroll down, the title will automatically fill in for the URL address the first time before you actually submit the article. Down in the page content or the body section is where you'll post your plain text, and you can edit it based on how you want things to show up. Things like spaces will automatically, if there's a space here in the box, a space will be represented on the posting when you actually update it. You have some options up here at the top. You can highlight a piece of text, for example, and make it bold, italic. You can start a list. You have headings, links, emails, image, and then, of course, if you want to close. Those are different options. Most of them pertain to text formatting. In this case, I don't have anything right at this moment that I want to change. Sometimes you might highlight something like Gulf Pacific Summit and make that bold so that it pops out a little bit more. For now, we're going to upload a picture, and I'm just going to select Browse, and I'm going to push pause for a second on the video. Once you've browsed to the location where your photo is, you can select it, choose Open. You're going to choose the destination directory, and since this is a news article, that's what we choose from the drop-down menu, and Upload. This box below enables you to also look at photographs that you've loaded up before, and that's useful if you need to reload an image after you do some editing, but you want to select the same name again. Once you've chosen your image, you will go to the next window where you can resize it. You can follow the prompts that are given. You have a couple of placement options. Embedded in Entry actually puts the file within the document. The URL only references the image, and pop-up image link gives you the option to click on a link and it will take you to another window or another tab where you can view the image. For news stories, you're going to want to embed the entry. It will go into the image content location, and you do place image and close window. The link containing your image information will always appear at the very bottom of your entry, and I usually Control X to copy it out and drop it back into place where you need the photo to appear. You'll have to add class information, and this is if you want the picture to be oriented left or right of the article. And it also it enables a box to be drawn around the image as is done on the rest of the website. Down below you have a couple of other options, and you can follow their instructions that are provided, where you can use the pre-designed photograph box. You can insert image captions, photo albums, and a gallery ID is for a collection of albums. Those are all things that you can include. Once you're happy with your article, you can choose Submit or Quick Save. We want to preview it first. This gives you a rough idea of what the article will look like. And select Submit to make the entry active. That's how you post an article. Thank you, and we'll talk to you later.